DreamHost versus Hostinger, two of the most popular hosting providers. But when it comes to speed and security, which one actually delivers better performance? The answer isn't as obvious as you might think, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one is the better choice for your website. First up, speed. A slow website drives visitors away and kills rankings. Hostinger is known for using light-speed servers, which are optimized for speed and include built-in caching. In our tests, sites hosted on Hostinger loaded in about 1.2 seconds, which is impressive. DreamHost, on the other hand, uses Apache servers by default. While they do offer an optional upgrade to their DreamPress plan with better performance, the standard hosting isn't quite as fast. Pages took around 1.8 seconds to load on average, which is noticeably slower. Next thing, uptime. No one wants their website going down, and both promise high uptime. Hostinger advertises 99.9% uptime, and in real-world use, it's mostly reliable. DreamHost actually offers a 100% uptime guarantee, but the catch is that if your site goes down, you only get compensated with a small credit, not exactly reassuring if your business depends on it. The third thing, security. Both include free SSL certificates, but DreamHost has a slight edge when it comes to backups. They offer automated daily backups on all plans, while Hostinger only provides weekly backups unless you pay extra. However, DreamHost lacks free malware scanning, while Hostinger includes it at no extra cost. So, it's a trade-off. DreamHost has better backups, but Hostinger is slightly better at protecting against threats up front. The fourth thing, ease of use. Hostinger has a custom-built H-panel, which is clean and easy to navigate. DreamHost uses a custom control panel as well, but it feels a bit clunky compared to Hostinger. If you're used to cPanel, neither will feel familiar, but Hostinger's UI is a bit more beginner-friendly. Final thing, pricing. Hostinger is definitely cheaper. Their plans start at a lower price and renewal rates are still competitive. DreamHost is a bit more expensive, but they do offer month-to-month billing, which is great if you don't want to commit to a long-term contract. So, which is better? If you want faster loading times and slightly better security features, Hostinger is the way to go. If uptime guarantees and better backups are more important to you, DreamHost is a solid choice. But here's the thing, after testing both, I found an even better hosting provider that offers the best combination of speed, security, and reliability. And the best part? You can try it for free using the first link in the description. This exclusive trial is only available to our viewers, so take advantage of it while you can.